the judiciary. Still on legislative matters, the House of Representatives has called on the Nigerian High Commission in the UK and the Foreign Affairs Ministry to provide all necessary consular assistance to Ekweremado and his wife over his ongoing travails. The motion was brought before Parliament on Tuesday by Honorable Abdullahi Abdulkadir, an APC lawmaker from Bauchi State. Abdulkadir, in his motion on urgent public national importance, raised concerns about the arrest of Ekweremado, who is not only a Nigerian citizen but a serving senator, former President of Senate and former Deputy Senate of the ECOWAS Parliament by the Metropolitan Police in the United Kingdom. Federal lawmakers cautioned Nigerians over making hasty conclusions that could affect the issue negatively, urging them to allow the case to run its full course.
To achieve is justice and fairness for all. We cannot have a situation where a simple allegation that has not been thoroughly investigated will result in a high-ranking public officer who has served and is still serving the Nigerian public, the Nigerian state, and he has a diplomatic passport, Mr. Speaker. So we cannot allow this to happen. If it can happen to someone of Senator Ekwerimado's status, I wonder what will happen to ordinary Nigerians.
Facts are facts, and any finding or any action to be taken should be based on facts. And nobody should be subject to any jeopardy, or even a double one, when those investigations are not complete. I believe that there ought to have been time. There ought to have been more a thorough and a fair assessment of the facts prior to, the subject, the present travails.
I plead with honorable colleagues to support this motion, to lend our voice, to call on Nigerians to be cautious of how they tarnish people's image just for something, because the authorities from London or anywhere, or Metropolitan Police, somebody reported to them. We're not saying they should not do investigation. They are doing their work. We should not even condemn our district, because they are going to judge based on documents and evidence before them.
Speaker of the House, Femi Gbajabiamila, said that a criminal charge does not constitute a conviction or conclusive proof of guilt.
For the Parliament in UK to make sure that Senator Ekweremado gets the proper due process, the rule of law is applied, and that he's treated fairly on this matter. I believe the UK Parliament or the Congress of the United States, if the roles were reversed, and if they had one of theirs, or even a citizen of theirs in this country who was going through the same travails, I believe